Can you tighten neck skin without surgery? There are a number of different treatments that can tighten neck skin. None of these tighten to the level that surgery gives you, but you can see improvement. These are things that use radiofrequency, ultrasound, microneedling with radiofrequency, different types of energy that is put into the skin to stimulate collagen and tighten the skin over time. Can neck exercises tighten skin? Probably very minimally. Some of these neck exercises may improve the appearance of the neck, as they change the platysmal muscles, and this is a very thin muscle that runs in a sheet this way in the neck from the jawline down to your clavicle. And with exercises, you can improve the appearance of that muscle, but it is unlikely to change the skin that much with simply exercises. What is a mini neck lift? When you talk about a neck lift, this is exactly what it sounds like, just lifting the neck through incisions that go behind the ear and in the hair. Everyone has a different name for the things that they do. A mini neck lift would indicate that it is less invasive, and that is probably equivalent to the results that you're going to get. This is generally the way it works. A little bit more invasive, you tend to get a little bit better results. Less invasive, not as dramatic. If you're someone that doesn't need as dramatic results, that may be a good option, but it kind of depends on you and what you're looking for. Is a mini neck lift worth it? Many surgeons, including myself, don't like to do just a neck lift by itself, because when you lift the neck, you need to make sure the skin and the muscle around the ear is nice and flat and it does not bunch up. And so if you just lift the neck, you can have some bunching in the face, which is definitely not desirable. And you end up lifting what ends up being a facelift. So that means neck and facelift anyway. I don't prefer to do just a neck lift, and in most people, just a neck lift doesn't give you the same rejuvenating appearance as a facelift. If you just lift the neck and you don't lift the jawline, so you still have a little bit of a jowl and you still have some marionette lines and nasolabial folds, that may not give you exactly the look that you're going for, and in that case would probably not be worth it. For someone perhaps that has already had surgery and looks really great everywhere except for a little bit of laxity in the neck, you could do a neck lift. And this probably would be worth it for that person because you just need that little bit of left here. So you can do a lift with an incision around the ear and in the hair. The other option is a direct neck lift where the incision goes in the middle of the neck here. This directly takes out the skin. This is a lot easier to do. This is something you could do in the office under local. There is very little downtime. The downside is having an incision underneath your neck here. I place it where you have to look up to be able to see the incision and close it so that it does tend to heal well over time, but you do have an incision that is in the front of the neck. In that case, it depends on the person. If you're okay with having that incision, most people say that it's worth it, and you do get a nice result, and you're addressing exactly what you want, that skin on the neck. For people that an incision would bother them there, they may not think that that's worth it. So it depends on what you have going on and exactly what you're looking for, whether it would be worth it for you or not. Have questions? Schedule a consultation anytime. I help people like you every day. Thanks for watching.